How to match with someone on Bumble? Want to know how to match with someone on Bumble? Let's break it down in just a few steps. Open the Bumble app and you will land on the swipe screen where you see potential matches one by one. If you like someone, swipe right or tap heart, or if you are not interested, swipe left or tap X. You can see their detail by scrolling. If that person also swipe right on you, congratulations, you have got a match. Bumble will notify you instantly. On Bumble, in heterosexual matches, women had to send their first message within 24 hours. In same gender matches, either person can message first. Once a message is sent, the match is secure and you can start chatting, and that's it. Matching on Bumble is all swiping right and waiting for the spark of mutual interest. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more quick tutorials. Catch you in the next one.